If you run an online business or want to advertise products on social media, you have probably seen zeely.ai. It claims to create video ads, generate marketing copy, and even launch campaigns automatically using AI. But the big question is zeely.ai actually worth using in 2026? In this quick review, I'll cover its features, pricing, pros, cons, and whether it's worth your money. What is zeely.ai? zeely.ai is an AI powered advertising tool designed mainly for small businesses, dropshippers, and e commerce stores. And instead of creating ads manually, the platform uses AI to generate video ads, image ads, marketing copy, automated ad campaigns. You simply enter product details or a website link, and the AI builds ad creatives and campaigns for platforms like Facebook and Instagram. The goal is to help business launch ads quickly without needing design or marketing skills. Key features: AI Ad Creator. Zeely can automatically generate video ads and static ads using templates and AI scripts. This makes it easier to produce multiple creatives quickly. UGC style video ads. The platform creates UGC style marketing videos, which are designed to look like user generated content, a popular ad style on social media. Automated campaign launch. Zeely can launch campaigns directly on meta platforms like Facebook and Instagram, meaning you do not have to manually configure ads. AI copy and scripts. The AI generates ad captions, scripts for video ads, marketing text. This saves time for beginners who do not know how to write ad copy. Performance analytics. Zeely provides analytics such as CPC and campaign insights so you can track how your ads perform. Pricing. Zeely has paid trials and monthly plans. Paid trials include 2-week trial about $19.95, 4-week trial about $29.95, 8-week trial about $49.95. After the trial, it automatically moves to a monthly plan unless cancelled. So keep that in mind, and if you want to cancel, try to cancel 1 day before or 2 days before the trial ends to avoid any extra charge. Monthly plans. Typical prices include starter around $29.95 per month, plus around $49.95 per month, growth around $79.95 per month. But there is something important. Your ad budget is separate because ads run through Meta. Zilly also charges on a service fee of about 12% on ad spend, which can drop to 6% with a booster add on. So the total cost subscription, ad budget plus service fee. Pros. Here are the main advantages. Number one, beginner friendly. You do not need marketing or design skills. Number two, fast ad creation. AI can generate multiple creatives very quickly. Number three, all in one advertising tool. It handles ad creation, copywriting, and campaign setup. Number four, good for small businesses, especially useful for stores that want to set or test ads quickly. Cons. And of course, nothing is perfect. Zilly isn't also perfect. Number one, we have limited customization. Advanced marketers may find the editing options too basic, extra advertising costs. You still have to pay for your ad budget separately. Service fee on ads. That 12% fee can add up if you run large campaigns. Not ideal for advanced campaigns. Large brands or agencies may need more powerful marketing tools. Is zeely.ai worth it in 2026? zeely.ai can be worth it if you are a beginner or small business owner who wants a simple way to create and launch ads. It's especially useful if you do not know how to design ads. It's useful if you want quick AI generated creatives and if you run small budget social media campaigns. But if you are an experienced marketer or running large advertising budgets, you may prefer more advanced marketing tools. So overall, zeely.ai is a helpful beginner marketing tool, but it is not a complete replacement for professional advertising strategies. If you found this review helpful, please consider like and subscribe. Turn on the bell icon to get all the new reviews like this. Thank you for watching and see you in a new review.